Hi all, I am talking about the topic that ICT in education reflecting on progress and future horizons. The main key achievements in educational technology. Integration of digital learning platforms, increased accessibility through remote learning solutions, development of personalized learning experience, enhanced student engagement through interactive tools, successful adoption of blended learning models. Current challenges and lessons learned are digital divide and equity concerns, professional development needs, infrastructure requirements, data privacy and security consideration, need for balanced screen time, assessment adaptation in digital environments. Emerging trends and opportunities, artificial intelligence in personalized learning, gamification and adaptive learning system, cloud-based collaborative tools, mobile learning innovations. Future directions and recommendations. Invest in sustainable digital infrastructure, prioritize educator professional development, focus on inclusive technology solutions, develop data-driven decision-making process, foster digital citizenship and safety, create flexible learning environment, strengthen public-private partnerships. Call to action. Establish clear technology integration goals. Create implementation timelines. Build support network for educators. Monitor and evaluate effectiveness. Stay current with the emerging technologies. Maintain focus pedagogical objectives. Ensure equitable access for all learners. Thank you.